Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the units in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down, look for the units section. And as you can see, you can set the units for kilometers or miles. And you can also set if you want to see the units in kilometer per hour or minute per hour. So just click on the one that you want to use, and the units are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.